Good morning, all the student. Once again, welcome you all. In the previous video, we discussed about the total fixed cost and total variable cost, and the curves of total fixed cost and variable cost. In this particular session, we will discuss about total cost, which is sum total of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Means TC is equal to TFC plus TVC. Now, TC, how it affects? Since we know that the curve of total fixed cost is always straight line parallel to x-axis, means it is same at all level of output. But the curve of variable cost is inverse as shape, means it initially increases at a decreasing rate, and then after some time it increases at an increasing rate. The shape of total cost is same as total variable cost, because it also because there is no effect of total fixed cost on total cost. The effect on total cost is always due to change in total variable cost. So total variable cost in total variable cost is zero at zero level of output, but total cost is never zero at zero level of output. If you produce or if you don't produce, you have to incur total cost, and that total cost is equal to at zero level of output, the total cost is always equal to total fixed cost. So at zero level of output, TC is equal to TFC. So that is why the curve of fixed cost, the curve of total cost starts where fixed cost started. So it is the curve of total cost is always same as variable cost, but it does not start with origin, it starts above the origin where total fixed cost starts. So let us see in the screen, we will have a discussion and then we will understood it clearly. Let us see in the screen. So here total cost is the total expenditure incurred by a firm on the factors of production required for the production of a commodity. Means if you want to calculate total cost, you have to calculate total fixed cost and total variable cost. So the sum total of all fixed cost and variable cost at various levels of output. At various levels of output, then you will have total cost. So in the other way, we can say that total expenditure incurred by a firm on the factors of production required for the production of a commodity. So TFC, normally what happen, the TFC remains same at all level of output. We discussed that total fixed cost is always same at all level of output. The changes in total cost is entirely due to total variable cost, because the if you remember, the graph or the curve of total fixed cost was parallel to x-axis, straight line parallel to x-axis, and the graph of variable cost was inverse as shape. So there is no change in the shape of fixed total cost also. Total cost curve is also inverse as shape, and the total change in the change in total cost is basically due to total variable cost, not due to total fixed cost. So you can see here in the screen the curve of total cost. Here we have taken output in x-axis, and the same way total cost, total cost, total fixed cost, total variable cost in y-axis. Let us see. This is the curve of total fixed cost. As we discussed, this is the this is straight line parallel to x-axis, and this is the TVC, curve of TVC, which is inverse as shape. TVC curve starts with the origin, means at zero level of output there is no cost, but the shape of total cost is same as shape of total variable cost, but it does not start with origin, it starts where the fixed cost start. because TC is always TFC, sum of TFC and TVC. So TC is always from the line where TFC curve starts. The shape will be same as TVC, but it starts with the level where the total fixed cost starts. So here in zero level of output, the total cost would be always total fixed cost. Means as you increase the output level, total cost is always increases initially at a decreasing rate, and then it start increasing at increasing rate. The same property as we discussed in total variable cost. So this is total cost. Now total cost is very important term in terms of calculating average cost and different types of average fixed cost and average variable cost. So before that, we'll discuss average cost. Let us see in the screen. So this is the average cost. Average cost means per unit total cost of production. When you divide total cost by total output, you will get average cost. So average cost is total cost divided by output. And total average cost can be defined in two ways also: average fixed cost and average variable cost. Before that, we will discuss what is the curve of how is the curve of average cost. Average cost is basically U-shaped curve. U-shaped means when you just see in the screen, we have taken output in x-axis and average cost in y-axis. So as output increases, initially average cost decreases. Initially the average cost decreases, but after some time it remains the same or constant. After, let us see here. So as we increase the output, the total cost initially decreases, then remains same, and then start increasing. So that is why it is U-shaped. Let us understand once again. When we so here average cost curve is having three phases. Three phases means AC curve initially falls with increase in output. Once the output rises till optimum level, AC starts rising. So there are three phases. Initially falls, then remains same, and then start increasing. So this is all about average cost, and that is why the curve of average cost is always U-shaped. Now we'll understood what is, in the next video we'll have a topic of what is average fixed cost, what is average variable cost and marginal cost. Thank you.